Leadership is not just about guiding others. It's about continuously transforming yourself. In my journey, one tool has reshaped the way I lead: virtual reality. As an educator and leader, I've always sought ways to connect more deeply with people. But VR opened doors I never imagined. It allowed me to step into immersive environments where empathy, decision making, and innovation were not abstract concepts, they were lived experiences. One of the most powerful lessons VR taught me was empathy. By experiencing simulations that mirrored diverse perspectives, whether walking through a crowded classroom from a child's point of view or navigating challenges faced by marginalized communities. I learned to listen, to feel, and to respond with greater compassion. This has made me a more inclusive leader. VR also sharpened my decision making. In leadership simulations, I was placed in high pressure situations where every choice had consequences. These experiences trained me to analyze quickly, weigh options, and act with clarity, skills I now carry into real world leadership challenges. Beyond empathy and decision making, VR inspired innovation. It encouraged me to think outside the box, to design interactive learning experiences, and to collaborate with colleagues in virtual spaces. This creativity has spilled over into my leadership style, making me more adaptive and forward thinking. Virtual reality has not only enhanced my skills, it enhanced, reshaped my vision of leadership. It reminded me that true leaders are learners first, always open to new tools and perspectives. As I continue this journey, I carry with me the lessons of empathy, resilience, and innovation that VR has instilled. And I invite you to explore how technology can transform your own leadership story.